How to buy V-Bucks with Fortnite gift card 2025 step by step. Buying V-Bucks with a Fortnite gift card in 2025 is quick and easy if you follow these steps. Step 1. Redeem your gift card. Go to the Epic Games website or open the Epic Games launcher and log in. Most people get this wrong. They try to redeem through third-party sites, which can be risky. Step 2. Click on your account name, then redeem code. Enter the 16-character code from your Fortnite gift card. You won't believe what happens next. The V-Bucks are added instantly to your Epic Games account. Step 3. Purchase V-Bucks. Navigate to the in-game store in Fortnite, select the amount of V-Bucks you want, and confirm the purchase using your gift card balance. You can also use V-Bucks to buy skins, emotes, or battle passes. Step 4. Check your balance. Make sure the V-Bucks have been applied correctly. If you run into issues, contacting Epic Games support quickly resolves them. By following these steps, you can safely and efficiently convert your gift card into in-game currency, ensuring you get exactly what you want without errors. The surprising truth is that redeeming Fortnite gift cards is faster and safer than many players realize, and mastering the process lets you maximize your gaming experience.